Assalamu alaikum students. You all are enthusiastically welcome in English class. First of all, let's recapitulate. In our previous lecture, we have done Unit 6, Folktale from Russia, and the topic, How much land does Amin need? Today we are rushing to our poem that is Revenge, and this poem is composed by Louis Enrique Maggicoge, who is a Nicaraguan writer and musician, and he protested against his country's dictatorship through the medium or mode of his work. And in 1979, the country was freed from the dictatorship of Somoza. Now let's discuss difficult words meaning and then make the sentences of those words. First word is revenge. It's mean injure or hurt someone. And the sentence of revenge is she wants revenge against her enemies. Second word is bustle. It's mean full of activity. Sentence, I miss the hustle and bustle of city life. Third, generous. It's mean kindness. Sentence, she has always been generous toward the poor. Fourth, intact. That's mean uninjured. Sentence, the glass remained intact after being dropped. Next, combat. That's mean fighting to army forces. It's the quarrel between army forces. Sentence of combat is he was killed in combat. Tenderness, it means sensitivity. Sentence, the tenderness on Ali's face confirmed his love for her daughter. Last one, implacable. That's mean pitiless, ruthless. Sentence, he knew that Sobia could be an implacable foe. Rushing toward comprehension, the first question is, what is revenge? What kinds of feelings are usually associated with revenge? First question consists of two parts. First of all, you have to elaborate or give the definition of revenge, and then which type of feelings are associated with taking revenge. Revenge is the action of hurting or harming someone in return for an injury or wrong suffered at their hands. This is revenge. Now, which type of feelings are associated with it? You seek revenge because someone might have done something wrong intentionally or unintentionally, and it makes us feel better for a moment. As you know, when someone has injured or inflicted any harm to you, you want to take the revenge from that particular person. And when you just take the revenge, you feel very comfort, very consoled, but for a temporary moment. So these type of feelings are associated with revenge. Question number 2 explains some of the improvements which Bog, the political prisoner, want to see in his country. Here in answer, I have mentioned approximately all the improvements which Bog want to see in his country. Check it out. Bog wants improved rural and urban working condition, free unionization for all workers, both urban and rural, price fixing for commodities of basic necessity, then improved public services, housing condition, education, abolition of torture, and formation of a popular army under the leadership of FSLN. Do you know what is FSLN? It's a social political party and its members are called Sandinistas. Now revise all these tasks. Thank you so much for watching my video.